Favela, favela, vinha aqui na favela, pra sentar no grau, pra sentar no grau, pra sentar no grau, vinha aqui na favela.
What's going on, guys? This is Brad with Techbuds-Solutions and everything OTCs. Within my channel, we talk about stocks directly focused on the OTCs or over-the-counter stocks. If you're new to my channel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you with a link at the top right hand of this corner here. And basically, it's just a way for you to kind of get familiar with who we are at Techbuds-Solutions, what we do. And it'll direct you to our Facebook page as well as the Discord links that you can join our daily chat groups where we discuss everything that's going on in the market for the day. You know, it could be anything from running to something that's dropping or whatever. Excuse me. And so basically, I just want to welcome you here tonight and talk to you about this particular stock that I see tons of potential in for the week. It's called SWHI, and what's going on with SWHI. So this one actually had some news on my TD Ameritrade account here, and basically what was announced back in August was that SWHI was getting into the crypto market, more specifically troptions, and to earthyellowpages.com, as you can see here, and there's several other companies that was also getting into troptions, and they have skyrocketed. If you can see here, STBV, and it was one that really went up to 10 cents. Right now, guys, this is trading well below that. This is trading right now. It closed the day today, which should be 11/6, at 0.32. Which, you know, at one point today, it was almost trying to break that 4 barrier. And so if it gets past that, which I honestly believe that it will, we could see a potential penny or more with the momentum that this is gaining. I mean, look at all this volume that showed up. And this is why I called it out this morning, Monday morning, November the 6th. You know, I honestly didn't think it was going to take off like this. It was just something that I encourage everybody to kind of be on the lookout for, because, and you know, going back to the news that you know, I was discussing here in the beginning, this is going to start going live trading with troptions on November the 11th, and so that speculation is there. Once that happens, they're going to see around $44 million in new assets. So that obviously, you know, that's huge. This means that the valuation of this company should be well above, you know, a penny or more. Obviously, as with anything in the market, we can't predict what exactly is going to happen, but I have reason to believe that, you know, the potential for this could be great. And, you know, I don't think that we're done seeing the run that SWHI has already begun to make. I mean, we're only here on Monday, and it's already started to gain this kind of momentum. When you go into Investors Hub, which is another resource that I encourage you all to use if you're planning on trading OTCs, this is another networking group. You know, I always like to say it's all in who you know when it comes to trading, especially in the OTC world. The more people you know, especially, and you know, obviously you don't want to trust anybody to make your buying and selling decisions. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that it's best to be able to network with as many people as you can to find accurate due diligence. You know, the more people that are out there looking and researching this information, the quicker we can find it and be able to make the best decision based off of our risk tolerance and that sort of thing, whether or not we should buy into a specific stock. You know, I don't pretend to, you know, tell you guys to buy everything that I buy, even though sometimes within our chat group we kind of joke around about that. But never do I ever want anybody to buy or sell a stock based off of what I do here. All I'm trying to do is basically just show you how I do my own due diligence, how I see value in a particular stock. And obviously, you know, cryptocurrency is really something that's kind of hot right now. I did explain in a prior video how typically I like to stay away from cryptocurrency because I don't think it's tangible enough. I still, you know, I still have a problem with being able to just not hold something in my hand. It's just not tangible. You know, I can hold $1 in my hand. I can't hold a Bitcoin or whatever in my hand. But, you know, when it comes to trading OTCs, you got to go with where the momentum is going. And a lot of people are really getting into this cryptocurrency stuff. So if I'm going to be able to make money off of it, or if I can see some kind of potential in it, and I see that a company is going to be gaining $44 million in assets, cryptocurrency doesn't have anything to do with that as far as I'm concerned. It's just, you know, people are going to see value in this and people are going to buy the crap out of it. So obviously that's already started today. This guy here, Charlie B, he's one of the, you know, members within Investors Hub. And he's a pretty reliable source. Basically shared this article that was put out today on SWHI specifically. Just kind of quoted it here. It was actually up the top 10 in Investors Hub, which means that it's gaining more attention. And I have reason to believe that it's going to continue to gain attention as we go into this ICO with the Troptions cryptocurrency. And so basically what this article discloses is that, you know, the valuation of the company, as I was saying earlier, could very much increase, which would mean that the price per share on this could certainly see a penny or pennies. You know, you never know when once this thing gains momentum, it could go up even to a nickel or more. So it's just something that I would encourage you to keep an eye on. Again, this is one of those things where I just wanted to show you, you know, the steps that I take when I see value in something such as this, especially when it's something that I don't typically, a sector that I don't typically like to trade in. And, you know, we got into this right at the bottom within our chat group. A lot of us got in right when I called it out this morning at the open, got in at 0015, 0016. And just ran with it. I mean, it was awesome to see, and this volume was just unbelievable. I mean, it died off towards the end of the day, but I don't think that this is indicative of what we're going to see at the open, you know, on Tuesday morning, or even going into the rest of the week. I think this is one that's going to be a multi-day runner, and you know, we'll just have to see what happens. You know, I don't always get it right, but I just, you know, based on my past experiences with something like this, I think it's just a really good stock to be into right now. And I'm certainly going to be swinging this one for at least the week, and we'll see what happens as the week goes on. But for now, this is something that I personally see value in. If it's something that you personally see value in, I just encourage you to make sure you do all your steps and your own due diligence before buying into something like this, as well as selling. You know, a lot of people will just day trade something like this. A lot of people will just swing it, because that's what I usually do, is I swing trade stuff, because I like to see the multi-day runners and then, you know, capitalize on that. So that's all I got for you guys today. It was just a short video to show you, you know, something that I saw some potential in. Maybe encourage you to take a look at it as well, and also let you know, if you're new to our group, that we do have chat groups, and just the importance of networking, especially when it comes to trading OTCs. That's all I got for you guys tonight. So if you like this video, if you learned something, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that like button for this video tonight. And I appreciate you for tuning in. That's all I got for you guys tonight. B Smith is out.